Welcome to the channel NextGen Tech Prep. In today's video, we are diving deep into essential questions and comprehensive answers for the Generative AI Leader. Whether you're preparing for an exam or just looking to sharpen your knowledge, you're in the right place. If you find this content valuable, please hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Now, let's get started.
An organization wants to understand trends in customer interactions, identify common issues, gauge customer sentiment, and improve the overall customer experience across both their automated chatbot interactions and live agent support. They need a tool that can analyze their existing conversational data to gain actionable business intelligence. What component of Google's customer engagement suite best addresses this need? A. Agent Assist. B. Google Cloud Contact Center as a Service. C. Conversational Agents. D. Conversational Insights.
The correct answer is D. Conversational Insights. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords: understand trends, identify common issues, gauge customer sentiment, analyze their existing conversational data, actionable business intelligence. Why is this correct? D. Conversational Insights specifically analyzes historical conversational data to extract trends, sentiment, and actionable business intelligence for customer engagement. Why are the others incorrect? A. Agent Assist provides real-time guidance during live calls, not post-call historical data analysis. B. Google Cloud Contact Center as a Service is the broad contact center infrastructure, not the specific analytics tool. C. Conversational agents automate interactions with customers, rather than analyzing historical data for business intelligence.
What is a key advantage of using Google's custom-designed TPUs? A. TPUs increase the storage capacity and data retrieval speeds within Google Cloud data centers. B. TPUs are lightweight processors intended for deployment on edge devices. C. TPUs are specialized AI processors that excel at parallel processing for machine learning workloads. D. TPUs are primarily designed to improve the general processing speed of virtual machines in the cloud.
The correct answer is C. TPUs are specialized AI processors that excel at parallel processing for machine learning workloads. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords: key advantage, Google's custom-designed TPUs. Why is this correct? C. Tensor Processing Units, TPUs, are application-specific integrated circuits designed by Google specifically to accelerate and handle massive parallel machine learning workloads. Why are the others incorrect? A. TPUs are compute processors for ML, not storage devices for increasing data capacity or retrieval speeds. B. TPUs are primarily deployed in massive data centers for heavy training and inference, not as lightweight edge processors. D. TPUs accelerate specific ML tensor operations, not general-purpose virtual machine processing speeds.
A company is trying to decide which platform to use to optimize its generative AI, Gen AI, solutions. Why should the company use Vertex AI platform? A. It provides Gen AI coding assistance with enterprise security and privacy protection. B. It provides a mechanism for efficient analysis and exploration of large datasets used in machine learning. C. It provides a unified platform of tools for building, deploying, and managing machine learning. D. It provides scalable and cost-effective object storage for data used in machine learning workflows.
The correct answer is C. It provides a unified platform of tools for building, deploying, and managing machine learning. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords: which platform to use to optimize generative AI, Gen AI, solutions, Vertex AI platform. Why is this correct? C. Vertex AI is Google Cloud's end-to-end, unified platform designed specifically for the complete lifecycle of building, deploying, and managing ML models. Why are the others incorrect? A. Providing coding assistance is a feature of specific tools, like Gemini Code Assist, not the primary definition of the Vertex AI platform. B. BigQuery is the platform designed for efficient analysis and exploration of large datasets, not Vertex AI. D. Cloud storage is the platform providing scalable object storage, not Vertex AI.
A finance team wants to use Gemma to help with daily tasks so that the financial analysts can focus on other work. Which business problem can Gemma most efficiently address? A. The struggle to accurately extract key financial figures and insights from a variety of document formats, such as balance sheets and income statements, for quick reporting. B. The complexity of building and deploying sophisticated internal knowledge bases to answer employees' finance-related questions with accurate and up-to-date information. C. The difficulty in analyzing large datasets of financial transactions and market data to identify anomalies and predict future financial performance. D. The challenge of efficiently producing high-quality written summaries and initial drafts of financial communications.
The correct answer is D. The challenge of efficiently producing high-quality written summaries and initial drafts of financial communications. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords: use Gemma, help with daily tasks, business problem. Why is this correct? D. Gemma is a lightweight text generation model, excelling at natural language tasks like writing summaries, drafting emails, and generating communications. Why are the others incorrect? Extracting figures from varied document formats requires Document AI or a multimodal model, not a text-only Gemma model. B. Building sophisticated knowledge bases requires a retrieval system, RAG, and enterprise search, not just a standalone Gemma model. C. Analyzing transaction datasets for anomalies is a structured data analytics task best suited for BigQuery ML or anomaly detection algorithms.
A research company needs to analyze several lengthy PDF documents containing financial reports and identify key performance indicators, KPIs, and their trends over the past year. They want a Google Cloud pre-built generative AI tool that can process these documents and provide summarized insights directly from the source material with citations. What should the analyst do? Use NotebookLM to upload and analyze the documents. B. Create a custom gem in Gemini Advanced with predefined KPIs to look across different financial reports. C. Use Gemini for Google Workspace within Google Docs to copy and paste sections of the reports for summary and analysis. D. Use the Gemini app to ask general financial trend questions.
The correct answer is A. Use NotebookLM to upload and analyze the documents. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords: analyze several lengthy PDF documents, pre-built generative AI tool, summarized insights directly from the source material with citations. Why is this correct? NotebookLM is a pre-built tool specifically designed to ingest uploaded documents and provide grounded summaries, insights, and answers with explicit citations. Why are the others incorrect? D. Gemini Advanced Gems don't natively ingest large multi-document repositories to provide cited research summaries. C. Copy-pasting lengthy PDFs bypasses the need for an AI tool that can natively process documents and provide citations. D. The general Gemini app answers based on its training data or web search. It does not analyze user-uploaded internal documents with source citations.
A learning and development team wants to quickly create a new hire training video with a custom avatar and voiceover that matches their company's branding and key messaging. They did not receive any money to spend on the production. What should they do? Generate the video frames with Imagen. B. Create a video with Google Vids. C. Train a model with Vertex AI and produce a video. D. Prompt the Gemini app to create a video.
The correct answer is B. Create a video with Google Vids. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords: quickly create a new hire training video, custom avatar and voiceover, did not receive any money. Why is this correct? B. Google Vids is an AI-powered video creation app in Google Workspace that allows users to easily generate presentations and videos with voiceovers without production budgets. Why are the others incorrect? Imagen is an image generation model. It cannot generate complete videos with custom avatars and voiceovers. C. Training a model in Vertex AI requires significant ML expertise, time, and cloud computing costs, contradicting the zero-budget requirements. D. The standard Gemini chat app cannot directly output or render a produced video with custom avatars and voiceovers.
What does Model Garden enable a company to do? A. Train new models from scratch using large datasets. B. Evaluate the performance of different models using various metrics. C. Discover, customize, and deploy existing models from Google and its partners. D. Manage different versions of a model including the code, data, and parameters used to train it.
The correct answer is C. Discover, customize, and deploy existing models from Google and its partners. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords Model Garden enable a company to do. Why is this correct? C. Vertex AI Model Garden acts as a curated catalog where organizations can discover, test, customize, and deploy a wide variety of foundation models. Why are the others incorrect? A Model Garden provides pre-trained models. It is not primarily a platform for building entirely new architectures and training them from scratch. B. Vertex AI evaluation tools are used for evaluating performance, not the Model Garden catalog itself. D. Vertex AI Model Registry is the service used to manage different versions, code, data, and parameters, not Model Garden.
A national bank is overwhelmed by customer inquiries across multiple channels and needs an AI-powered solution to provide seamless, consistent support, empower customer support agents, and improve service quality. What Google Cloud product should the bank use? A. Gemini for Google Workspace. B. Google Contact Center as a Service. C. A Vertex AI Search. D. Gemini for Google Cloud.
The correct answer is B. Google Contact Center as a Service. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords customer inquiries across multiple channels, seamless, consistent support, empower customer support agents, Google Cloud product. Why is this correct? B. Google CCaaS provides a comprehensive, omnichannel customer support solution incorporating AI to empower live representatives. Why are the others incorrect? Gemini for Google Workspace is for employee productivity, docs, emails, not an omnichannel contact center solution. C. Vertex AI Search builds search engines for websites, which doesn't solve the problem of managing multi-channel live customer support inquiries. D. Gemini for Google Cloud helps developers write and deploy code, entirely unrelated to contact center management.
What is a primary benefit of using a multi-agent system? A. To manage complex tasks that demand coordinated AI functions. B. To serve as a platform for hosting traditional, non-AI applications. C. To simplify the most basic and repetitive rule-based tasks. D. To consolidate all unique AI functions into a single, undifferentiated model.
The correct answer is A. To manage complex tasks that demand coordinated AI functions. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords primary benefit, multi-agent system. Why is this correct? Multi-agent systems use specialized, distinct AI agents that communicate and collaborate to break down and solve highly complex, multi-step tasks. Why are the others incorrect? B. Multi-agent systems are advanced AI architectures, not hosting platforms for traditional non-AI software. C. Basic, repetitive rule-based tasks are best handled by simple scripts or robotic process automation, not complex multi-agent systems. D. Multi-agent systems do the exact opposite, they divide work among specialized agents rather than forcing everything into one undifferentiated model.
An organization wants to use generative AI to create a chatbot that can answer customer questions about their account balances. They need to ensure that the chatbot can access previous portions of the conversation with the customer. Which prompting technique should they use? A. Use prompt chaining. B. Use zero-shot prompting. C. Use role prompting. D. Use few-shot prompting.
The correct answer is A. Use prompt chaining. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, chatbot that can answer customer questions, access previous portions of the conversation, prompting technique. Why is this correct? A prompt chaining passes the output or context of previous interactions as the input for the next prompt, maintaining conversational memory. Why are the others incorrect? B. Zero-shot prompting involves asking a question without examples. It does not inherently manage or pass conversational history. C. Role prompting assigns a persona to the AI, which controls its tone, but doesn't manage conversational memory. D. A few-shot prompting provides examples of input-output pairs to guide format, not to track ongoing conversational history.
An organization wants to use generative AI to create a marketing campaign. They need to ensure that the AI model generates text that is appropriate for the target audience. What should the organization do? A. Use few-shot prompting. B. Use role prompting. C. Adjust the temperature parameter. D. Use prompt chaining.
The correct answer is B. Use role prompting. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, create a marketing campaign, generates text that is appropriate for the target audience. Why is this correct? B. Role prompting assigns a specific persona to ensure the generated text's tone matches the target audience. Why are the others incorrect? A few-shot prompting provides formatting examples but doesn't explicitly instruct the model to adopt a specific audience-appropriate persona. C. Adjusting temperature changes the randomness of the output, but it doesn't ensure the text is appropriate for a specific demographic. D. A prompt chaining links multiple steps together. It does not control the target audience tone or persona.
A company wants to use generative AI to create a chatbot that can answer customer questions about their products and services. They need to ensure that the chatbot only uses information from the company's official documentation. What should the company do? A. Use role prompting. B. Use prompt chaining. C. Use grounding. D. Adjust temperature parameter.
The correct answer is C. Use grounding. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, only uses information from the company's official documentation. What should the company do? Why is this correct? C. Grounding connects the generative AI model to specific, verified data sources, restricting it to answering only based on that factual context. Why are the others incorrect? A role prompting changes the tone but doesn't prevent the model from hallucinating facts outside company docs. B. Prompt chaining links tasks but doesn't inherently restrict the model's knowledge base to official documentation. D. Adjusting temperature reduces randomness but cannot force the model to only know or use specific external company documents.
A social media platform uses a generative AI model to automatically generate summaries of user-submitted posts to provide quick overviews for other users. While the summaries are generally accurate for factual posts, the model occasionally misinterprets sarcasm, satire, or nuanced opinions, leading to summaries that misrepresent the original intent and potentially cause misunderstandings or offense among users. What should the platform do to overcome this limitation of the AI-generated summaries? A. Increase the temperature parameter of the model to encourage more varied and less literal interpretations. B. Implement stricter safety settings to filter out potentially misinterpreted content altogether. C. Incorporate a human-in-the-loop (HITL) review process to refine the summaries. D. Decrease the output length of the summaries to make them more concise.
The correct answer is C. Incorporate a human-in-the-loop (HITL) review process to refine the summaries. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, misinterprets sarcasm, satire, or nuanced opinions, misrepresent the original intent, overcome this limitation. Why is this correct? C. For nuanced content like sarcasm, automated models struggle. A human-in-the-loop review ensures summaries of sensitive or nuanced posts are accurate. Why are the others incorrect? A. Increasing temperature makes the model more random, which would likely increase the chances of misinterpreting nuanced content. B. Stricter safety settings filter out hate speech or explicit content, but they don't fix the AI's inability to understand sarcasm. D. Decreasing output length just makes a bad summary shorter, it doesn't correct the misinterpretation of the original intent.
A software development team wants to use generative AI, Gen AI, to code faster so they can launch their software prototype quicker. What should the team do? A. Use Gen AI to refactor and optimize existing code. B. Use Gen AI to automatically generate comprehensive documentation for their code. C. Use Gen AI to identify potential bugs and security vulnerabilities in their code. D. Use Gen AI to suggest code snippets and complete functions.
The correct answer is D. Use Gen AI to suggest code snippets and complete functions. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, code faster, launch their software prototype quicker. Why is this correct? D. Using AI for real-time code completion and snippet suggestion directly accelerates the writing of new code, enabling faster prototype launches. Why are the others incorrect? A. Refactoring existing code improves code quality and maintainability, but it doesn't help write a new prototype faster. B. Generating documentation is useful but doesn't directly speed up the actual coding of the software prototype. C. Identifying bugs is a testing/QA function, while helpful, suggesting code directly accelerates the initial build phase.
A development team is building an internal knowledge-based chatbot to answer employee questions about company policies and procedures. This information is stored across various documents in Google Cloud Storage and is updated regularly by different departments. What is the primary benefit of using Google Cloud's RAG APIs in this scenario? A. They provide a pre-built user interface for the chatbot, simplifying the front-end development process. B. They automatically create summaries of all company policies, which are then presented to employees as quick answers. C. They enable the generative AI model to retrieve the most up-to-date and relevant information from the policy documents in real time. D. They allow the development team to train a single foundation model on all company documents.
The correct answer is C. They enable the generative AI model to retrieve the most up-to-date and relevant information from the policy documents in real time. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, updated regularly, primary benefit of using Google Cloud's RAG APIs. Why is this correct? RAG dynamically searches external data sources at runtime, ensuring the AI uses the latest, most recently updated documents. Why are the others incorrect? RAG APIs handle data retrieval and grounding, they do not provide a pre-built graphical front-end user interface. RAG retrieves specific relevant passages to answer a query, it does not automatically generate blanket summaries of all documents. RAG avoids training the foundation model on documents, it retrieves data at runtime, so retraining the foundation model isn't necessary.
A company's large learning model, LLM, is producing hallucinations that are a result of the knowledge cutoff. How does retrieval augmented generation, RAG, overcome this limitation? A. RAG enhances the creative writing capabilities of the LLM to generate more engaging and informative responses. B. RAG uses human oversight to ensure accuracy before presenting information to the customer. C. RAG enables the LLM to retrieve relevant and up-to-date information from knowledge sources. D. RAG fine-tunes the LLM on specific customer query patterns to improve the speed and efficiency of response generation.
The correct answer is C. RAG enables the LLM to retrieve relevant and up-to-date information from knowledge sources. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, hallucinations, knowledge cutoff. How does retrieval augmented generation, RAG, overcome this? Why is this correct? C. RAG connects the LLM to live, external databases, allowing it to retrieve current facts that bypass its static training knowledge cutoff date. Why are the others incorrect? While RAG focuses on factual accuracy by retrieving data, it does not enhance the creative writing capabilities of the model. B. RAG is an automated technical architecture, it does not inherently involve human oversight to check accuracy. D. RAG is a retrieval mechanism at runtime, it does not involve fine-tuning or modifying the LLM's underlying training weights.
A global news agency is developing a generative AI tool to quickly summarize breaking news articles as they emerge online. The goal is to provide their audience with rapid updates on fast-developing stories from various global sources. What Google Cloud solution should they use? A. Grounding with Google Search. B. A Vertex AI Natural Language API. C. BigQuery. D. A Document AI.
The correct answer is A. Grounding with Google Search. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, summarize breaking news articles as they emerge online, rapid updates on fast-developing stories, Google Cloud Solution. Why is this correct? Grounding a model with Google Search gives it real-time access to the live internet, enabling it to accurately summarize breaking news. Why are the others incorrect? B. Natural Language API analyzes sentiment and syntax of provided text, it does not retrieve live breaking news from the internet. C. BigQuery is a data warehouse for historical analytics, completely unsuitable for fetching live, breaking news from the web. D. Document AI extracts text from scanned PDFs, it cannot search the live internet for breaking news stories.
A company is developing a conversational AI chatbot. They need to ensure the chatbot can engage in human-like conversations and provide accurate information. What should they do to enhance the chatbot's ability to understand and respond effectively to user prompts? A. Lower model temperature setting to produce more consistent and predictable responses. B. Use strict keyword matching to ensure that the chatbot only responds to specific commands. C. Limit the chatbot's training data to prevent it from learning irrelevant information. D. Use prompt engineering techniques like few-shot prompting to provide the chatbot with examples of successful interactions.
The correct answer is D. Use prompt engineering techniques like few-shot prompting to provide the chatbot with examples of successful interactions. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords, engage in human-like conversations, enhance the chatbot's ability to understand and respond effectively. Why is this correct? D. Providing examples, few-shot prompting, trains the model in context on the exact tone, style, and conversational format required for human-like interaction. Why are the others incorrect? Lowering temperature makes responses more rigid and robotic, which contradicts the goal of human-like conversation. B. Strict keyword matching is a legacy chatbot approach that severely limits the AI's ability to understand natural, varied human language. C. Limiting training data reduces the model's general knowledge and conversational flexibility, degrading its ability to respond effectively.
What does Vertex AI Search enable companies to do? A. To ground LLM responses with first-party data, third-party data, and Google's knowledge graph. B. To surface the most popular and frequently accessed content based on global user search patterns and trends. C. To index and retrieve information from the entire public web, providing a comprehensive view of publicly available data. D. To compare products from numerous online retailers, allowing users to find the best deals and product options across the internet.
The correct answer is A. To ground LLM responses with first-party data, third-party data, and Google's knowledge graph. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords Vertex AI search enable companies to do. Why is this correct? A Vertex AI search allows organizations to create search engines over their own private data and securely ground LLM responses in that enterprise data. Why are the others incorrect? B. Vertex AI search searches enterprise data, not global user search patterns and internet trends, which is Google Trends. C. Vertex AI searches for indexing specific enterprise data sources, not for indexing the entire public web like Google.com. D. Comparing retail products across the internet is the function of Google Shopping, not an enterprise Vertex AI search deployment.
A development team is configuring a generative AI model for a customer-facing application and wants to ensure the generated content is appropriate and harmless. What is the primary function of the safety settings parameter in a generative AI model? A. To filter out potentially harmful or inappropriate content from the model's output based on the desired level of filtering. B. To limit the maximum text length that the model generates by ensuring concise responses. C. To determine the number of tokens the model can process at once by influencing the complexity and length of inputs and outputs. D. To control the creativity and randomness of the model's output by adjusting the diversity of word choices.
The correct answer is A. To filter out potentially harmful or inappropriate content from the model's output based on the desired level of filtering. To arrive at the correct answer, we focus on the keywords generated content is appropriate and harmless, primary function, safety settings parameter. Why is this correct? I. Safety settings explicitly block the generation of hate speech, explicit material, and other harmful content based on adjustable thresholds. Why are the others incorrect? B. Limiting the length of the text is controlled by the max_output_tokens parameter, not safety settings. C. The number of tokens a model can process is its context window size, which is an architectural limit, not a safety setting. D. Controlling creativity and randomness is managed by the temperature parameter, not safety settings.